This lesson will demonstrate how to use Report Manager display tools, create data groupings, apply expressions, and format the report page display. A report server will be configured through SQL Server Reporting Services. It will display on the website as Report Manager. The reports will be deployed to this server once they are built. Click on Project in the top ribbon and select Student Reports Properties. Make sure the correct target URL to your report server is entered in the project property pages. In this example, the target server URL is http://sandy17-pc/report server. There are many tools available to display the data. The default display when using the report wizard is the data table. Here is a display of a crosstab matrix with student counts. Format the report by selecting Report from the ribbon at the top and selecting Report Properties. Click on Landscape and change all margins to 0.5. Click on Report in the top ribbon. Now, select Add a Page Header. Click on the title and move the crosshair to the newly created Page Header section. To display the current date at the top of the report, right-click inside the page header, select Insert and Text Box. Right-click the text box. Select Expression to create an expression within the text box using the Now function. Format the text box properties on the lower right-hand side of the screen to display a long date that includes the day of the week by typing a D in the format line. Now that you have groups, you can also create expressions based on your groups. For example, you can create an expression that counts the number of students in your grade level group. Other expressions can be created to display a count of the students in your Campus ID group. Right-click on the Details row. Choose Insert Row, Outside Group, below. This will add a record line to act as a footer for the group. Click on the text box in the first column of the new row and type Total Grade to label the row. Right-click in the text box of the column next to it. Choose Expression. Click on the plus sign to expand common functions. Click on Aggregate. Now double-click on Count Distinct. The Count Distinct function returns the number of unique values in the column or expression. For example, we are about to count the number of students. Therefore, we only want to count the student once. Click on Fields, Dataset 1. Double-click on StuID. Add a parenthesis at the end and click OK. You will now see the Count Distinct expression displayed in the text box. Click on Build from the ribbon at the top. First, choose Build Student Reports. Next, choose Deploy Student Reports. Output messages at the bottom of the screen will display whether the build and deployment were successful.